Now let us talk about services available to handicapped or disabled people. Disabled people. Okay. Uh, First is institutions for the handicapped. There are different institutions set up by the state and central government for providing education and training to the physically and mentally disabled people. Okay, and of course, these institutions also undertake, research to solve the problems of the handicapped. Okay, some of the important institutes are: first institute is National Institute for the Visually Handicapped, which is situated at Dehradun. Okay, and this this institution gives vocational guidance, then counseling, rehabilitation, and development of suitable services for the visually handicapped persons. Okay, then second one is, and this institution means National Institute for the Visually Handicapped, which is situated at Dehradun, conducts different training courses for teachers of the visually handicapped at four centers like Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, and Mumbai. Then second institute is National Institute for the Orthopedically Handicapped, which is situated at Kolkata. Okay. Then Aliyavar Jung National Institute for the Hearing Handicapped, which is situated at Mumbai. Okay, and also at Kolkata, New Delhi, Hyderabad, and Bhubaneswar. The next institute is National Institute for Mentally Handicapped, which is situated at Sikandarabad. Okay, and it provides training and rehab for the mentally challenged people. Okay, now second organization, you can say, or uh, Ministry of Welfare. Ministry of Welfare is responsible for curative and rehab services for handicapped persons. Okay, and this Ministry of Welfare conducts a different welfare programs for handicapped persons, like early detection and treatment, then training and rehabilitation of disabled persons. Then third one is what? Awards and scholarships. There are different institutions and organizations in India which provides awards and scholarships to the physically and mentally handicapped persons. Okay, first is National Association for the Blind, which is situated in Mumbai, awards scholarships to blind students. Okay, then the President of India gives national awards every year. Okay, then there are special schools for handicapped persons. Okay, then voluntary association is there, have been formed to promote the interest of physically and mentally challenged persons. For example, in Mumbai, PODS, Parents of Down's Syndrome Association. ओके, ये जो PODS हैं, ये जो है ये ऐसे पेरेंट्स कि जिनके बच्चे डाउन सिंड्रोम इस बीमारी से फाइट कर रहे हैं, उन बच्चों के पेरेंट्स ने ये PODS संस्था की स्थापना की है. ओके, एंड ये संस्था क्या करती है कि सोसाइटी में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करती है. ओके, अवेयरनेस रिगार्डिंग द इश्यूज ऑफ डाउन सिंड्रोम, एंड it also helps to other mentally challenged children. Okay, and this society PODS educate the parents about the nature, causes of treatment of down syndrome, and also spreads awareness among the masses. Okay, then next, financial assistance to voluntary organization. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जो है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑपरेट्स द दीन दयाल डिसेबल्ड रिहैबिलिटेशन scheme which provides financial assistance to voluntary organizations for running rehab centers for disabled. Okay, then special concession has been given to physically and mentally challenged person for traveling, loans, then tax benefits, etc. Then job reservation 3%. Okay, 3% of group C and 3% of group D posts are reserved for physically handicapped in central government. स्पोर्ट्स एंड कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़. ओके, भारत के कुछ राज्य है ऐसे हैं कि जो नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे स्पोर्ट्स एंड कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स कंडक्ट करती है फॉर डिसेबल्ड persons, mentally and physically disabled persons. For instance, the state of Maharashtra organizes the Maharashtra State Paralympic Games for disabled. Okay. The next, incentives to employees. Then, as per section 41 of the Persons with Disabilities Act 1995, states that the appropriate governments and the local authorities shall provide incentives to the employers both in public and private sector. Okay. Then there are rehabilitation centers for disabled people. For example, 5 composite rehab centers, which is at Srinagar, Lucknow, Bhopal, Guwahati, and Sundarnagar. Okay, ये जो CRCS हैं, it provides facilities for manpower development and ensuring availability of rehab services for all categories of persons with disabilities. Then 4 regional rehab centers, okay, which are at Chandigarh, then Cuttack, Jabalpur, Bareilly, etc. Okay, then district disability rehab centers, which provides comprehensive rehab services at the grassroots level. Okay, then the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, ये जो है ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने पास किया हुआ एक राइट है. ओके, and there are different principles which are adopted by this act for the empowerment of persons with disabilities, like respect for inherent dignity, individuals autonomy. Then there should not be any kind of discrimination. Then full and effective participation and inclusion in society. Equal opportunities should be given to disabled people, etc. Okay, so these kind of services provided to handicapped persons, to mentally and physically handicapped persons. Okay.